Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of Blue Book MKE, and let's level up your business 5-day challenge. Link is below this video if you want to check out my new offer with the 5-day challenge. What is my new offer? My new offer is I'm going to give you access to my information for 5 full days. Review all of it. Learn all of my secrets about how I generate leads, how I make sales, everything about the funnels that I put in place. Get all of that information. I'll show you how to place ads on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Google, all of it. I'm going to show you what I've done for my companies and what I've done for other businesses. Links below this video. But I want to give you this information to teach you about how money works. I think that this is why a lot of people have problems with money. They think that money is running out. They don't even understand the value of the dollar, and they don't even understand the value of community, of supporting businesses in your community, of supporting people in your community. Like, for some reason, it seems like that's probably one of the biggest problems, especially in the Black community, what we're having right now. So I want to give you a lesson of something that I learned. And when I learned this lesson, it made me immediately get my mind focused on providing jobs in my community. Like, it got me focused on it. Right now, I'm coming up to where I think we're close to having more than 100 employees with my various companies. But it's not about that. This is the lesson here. I want to show you how money works. How we're not running out of money. What we do is people run out of ideas. People use their money the wrong way. So I want to show you this here. So this is you. I'm going to show you how we turn $100 into $500 without adding any more money to the $100. So we're not going to break it up into 5 pieces, because then it would be destroying the $100 bill. So how are we going to turn $100 into $500? How are we going to do that? I'm going to actually even go a step further. I'm going to show you how you could pay someone $100, and in the end, you would have your $100 back. But you would also have everybody that was in the example that I'm going to show you would have gotten paid. So let's get right to it. Look at this right here. So we got Jim, we got Steve, we got Rob, we got Sam, and we got you. You have $100 and you need a service from Jim, or Jim is your friend, whatever. We're not going to get that deep into it for this example here. I'm going to make other videos that even go deeper, so you can see how the money that you have and the way that you spend it is a direct correlation to the condition of your community and in condition of the people who live in your community. So if you pay Jim, your friend or business or whatever, $100, so you just passed $100 to Jim. Let's use the green. Let's use the green. Let's make it even look better. Let's use the green. So you gave your $100 over to Jim. Now that's the same $100. You just got it to Jim. And then Jim came over to Steve, to me, and said, hey, I need to get this service from you. And it's like, okay, I'll provide that service. Guess what? It's going to cost $100. So Jim says, okay, here's the $100. Jim is utilizing that same $100 to pay me. Now, is Jim upset because didn't Jim get paid his $100 from you when it started? And are you upset because you gave Jim the $100 for something that you needed? So we've already made the same $100 has become really $300. So now me, Steve, I need a service, or Rob is maybe my friend and he needs $100 to take care of something. And I was like, hey, here's that $100 that I owed you. I'm ready to pay it back. So now Rob has the $100. So from the $100 that I got paid for the service, I went ahead and paid Rob the money that I owed him, that $100. So now we got 100, 100, 100, and 100. We got $400 in circulation, but we really just had what? $100 actual money. Actual money. So are you getting the point of the value of circulation of money? Money doesn't run out. Ideas run out. So now Rob says, hey, I need to get this service. I've been waiting for a long time. I need to get this service, and Sam has that service, so he pays Sam $100. And so now Sam has $100. He's like, okay, so now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we started with the 100 on there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 people have gotten paid off of your initial $100. Did we rip it up and put it in the fours? No, it's that same $100. And again, was Jim satisfied? Yes. Were you satisfied? Yes. Was I satisfied? Yes. Was Rob satisfied? Yes. Was Sam satisfied? Yes. Now, guess what? Sam says, hey, remember that $100 that I owe you? It's time for me to go ahead and pay that back. Or maybe it was a service that Sam, or maybe you provide a service, and now Sam wants to utilize your service, and guess what? Sam pays you $100. So understanding, and I'm not going to get too deep into it with this one, but understanding the value of money, the value of the dollar on circulating in your community. So in later videos, I'm going to break down why this is the root to especially the breakdown in the Black community, and really with the United States of America. This is the breakdown of why we have so much trouble with money here in the United States, is because this chain right here, when I break it down in other videos, I'm going to actually go into more detail about why our money is not circulating, who's hoarding money, who's taking money out of our community, who is not doing things in the best interest, who is not doing reciprocating business. So just imagine if you did business with Jim and Jim refused to do business with me, and he goes outside of the community to do business with someone else, and that person refuses to do business with anybody else in the community, you already see where the problem is on there. So I'm going to end the video here. Please post your comments. Please post your questions. I hope that you understand this first initial video. This is a very important step for people to start understanding money. I'm going to be making more videos like this, and I don't care if people don't like it or not. I'm not in the not hurting the feelings type business. Things are not looking too good in certain communities, and I want to be one of the shining lights that's going to be able to tell people, hey, this is what's going on with you. Forget what the news is talking about on there. So I have a link below this video if you want to look at my 5-day challenge. If you have a business that's struggling, show you some things, that give you some ideas on what you could do. These are not theories. These are things that I do for my businesses all the time, every day. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of Blue Book MKE. Let's level up your business 5-day challenge, and catch me on YouTube with Making Money with Stephen A. Williams. Thank you for your time.